Hello, my name is John Ryuta, and I'm the Product Development Manager for Celestron. I oversee binoculars, spotting scopes, microscopes, and elements outdoor electronics. One of the things that I particularly enjoy about living in the Pacific Northwest where I do is the fact that there are so many opportunities to go out and enjoy nature. As a matter of fact, at my home, I can simply walk out my back door. I have this lovely Douglas fir forest right behind me. As I'm sitting here, it's late September, beginning to hear the nuthatches. There's a raven off in the distance. Have the Anna's hummingbirds flitting about. I expect to see varied thrushes coming in someday soon. And when they do, I'll be ready. I'll be out here with my Nature DX ED binocular. Many of you are probably already familiar with the Nature DX binocular. It's long been a favorite of bird watchers and other outdoor enthusiasts. It combines an affordable price with exceptional optical quality. As a matter of fact, it was named the best binocular under $200. So now we have the ED version of that same much trusted binocular. It has all of the features that you've come to enjoy about the Nature DX. It's fully armored. It's waterproof, has phase-coated prisms, fully multi-coated lenses, but it also adds ED objective lenses. ED, of course, means extra low dispersion in glass. That gives you the extra edge on sharpness and color presentation. Birdwatchers demand it, and it also helps out many other people who simply enjoy the sharpest image that they can get for the best price. This one happens to be the 8x42. We also offer it in 10x42 as well as 10x50 and 12x50 if you like a little bit of a larger objective. So be ready for fall or any season. Get yourself a Nature DX ED. Oh, I hear something calling right now. Excuse me. This is John Ryuta. I wish you good bird watching.